In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shortcut in right align in Google Vids. Whether you're crafting a business presentation, organizing your thoughts for a project, or simply wanting to ensure your document looks crisp and professional, mastering the skill of aligning text is essential. Google Vids, part of the comprehensive Google Workspace, is a fantastic tool that not only simplifies but also elevates your video creation process. But today we're diving deep into the textual aspect, specifically focusing on how to right align text using shortcuts efficiently. Let's begin with the basics. Firstly, you need to navigate to Google Vids. Open up your preferred web browser and type in the Google Vids URL, or simply use your search engine to find it. Google Vids is an integral part of Google's Workspace, offering an array of tools for video editing and presentations, seamlessly integrated with other Google services for an enhanced user experience. Upon reaching the Google Vids homepage, your next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button. Clicking on it should prompt you to choose an account to continue. If you're already logged into your Google account on your browser, this process is streamlined for quick access. Yet, if you've multiple accounts or haven't logged in, ensure you select the correct Google account now. This step is crucial because every document, video, or presentation you create or edit will be associated with this Google account. Once you're logged in, it's time to get down to business. Find the document you'd like to work on, or feel free to create a new one if that's what you're here for. With your document open, locate the text you wish to align to the right. Use your mouse or trackpad to click and drag across the specific text, highlighting it. This action indicates which text you're about to modify. Moving forward, direct your attention to the toolbar that houses various editing options. Here, you'll want to click on the Format button. This button is your gateway to a myriad of formatting tools designed to stylize and structure your document, making your content not only more readable but also visually appealing. After clicking on Format, your next destination within this menu is the Align and Indent option. This section is particularly tailored for adjusting the alignment of your text, offering you the flexibility to experiment with different positioning to achieve the desired layout for your document. Now, for the moment you've been waiting for locating the shortcut for right align, within the Align and Indent drop-down you should see various alignment options. Somewhere around here, specifically look out for the right align feature. It's probable that a keyboard shortcut is mentioned next to it. Memorizing or taking note of this shortcut can significantly speed up your workflow, allowing you to right align text in a fraction of the time it would take using the menu options. And there you have it, a simple yet effective guide to using shortcuts to right align text in Google Vids. Remember, the key to mastering any software is understanding the ins and outs of its features and functionality. By incorporating these shortcuts into your editing process, you're not only saving valuable time but also taking full advantage of the powerful tools at your disposal within Google Vids. Practice makes perfect, so don't shy away from experimenting with different formatting options and shortcuts to find what works best for your document styling needs. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. I hope this guide has illuminated a quicker pathway to achieving beautifully aligned text in your documents. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to enhance your productivity and creativity within the Google Workspace ecosystem.